Welcome to InventoryIQ by Finaloop. InventoryIQ is the first real-time inventory management system that's built directly into your accounting software. We built InventoryIQ specifically for consumer brands to speak to the way that you naturally manage your purchases and your inventory so that it makes sense both for your business and for your financials. Now, let's start with the purchase orders. The POs are the building block of how InventoryIQ works. We use the POs to automatically track your real-time landed costs, and we use those landed costs to track your cost of goods sold every time that you make a sale. On the PO dashboard, you can track all of your different POs and see their status. You can see what's in process, what's in transit, and what's already been received, so you know exactly what inventory you have on hand. When you create a PO, you add the specific SKUs that you want to order. And here you'll be able to see all of your products that we sync automatically from Shopify and from Amazon. And you can also add any manual products. For example, if you have unsellable SKUs like boxes that you use to package your products. And then you add the quantity and the direct costs. And here you add the indirect costs. Indirect costs can be anything from shipping to your warehouse to vendor fees to any other indirect cost. You also have discounts. And we'll automatically allocate it between all of your different SKUs based on the direct cost. You can also turn off the auto allocation if you want to manually allocate it, for example, based on weight or volume. And here you can also see your different shipments, since a lot of times one PO can be shipped in different shipments. And here you track the status of your order. So you put in the date that it was actually shipped and the date that it was received, so we know exactly what's on hand. Now on the products page, you can see a list of all of your different products and track all of the details relating to the quantity of those products and the costs. You can also see everything broken down by warehouse. Now when you click into one of these products, that's where the real magic happens. Now allow me a second to nerd out on accounting. One of the reasons that InventoryIQ works so well in providing super accurate COGS is that we track everything on a unit by unit basis, so we see exactly what comes into your warehouse first. Here you can see the entire ladder of every PO and exactly which purchases and which units came into your warehouse when. This is what we use to calculate your real-time COGS based on the landed cost for each of the different POs. We use the quantities that you sold in your different sales channels with the real-time costs that we have for each of the different units in order to automatically calculate your COGS. Now this can work for all consumer brands, whether you're selling direct-to-consumer, e-commerce, retail, or multi-channel. You can also manage recipes or bills of material and assemblies, whether they're on demand or manual. Now you can view all of your COGS broken down by channel here on this COGS page, and this is what's directly reflected in your P&L. So on your P&L under your product COGS, you can see everything broken down by direct and indirect costs and broken down by channel. So you really have clarity on all of your different inventory costs. You can also see a full picture of every single interaction that you've had with specific vendors in order to really track the vendor balances. You can see all of your vendor information, whether it's POs, payments from your bank accounts or credit cards, or bills that we sync directly from settleandbill.com or that you added manually to Finaloop. You can also view all these balances directly in your balance sheet. Summarized, you get PO and vendor management, real-time and automated COGS tracking by channel, by SKU, and by warehouse, all built into a fully integrated e-commerce accounting software where you get your P&L, balance sheet, cash flow, and insights. If you are ready to get rid of the pain that is inventory management, it's time to start your free trial today.